Hello, it's Debbie from Kinder's Journey. If you're new, welcome to my channel. This is a VR of my most embarrassing, or I guess aggravating too, symptoms of fibromyalgia. I ran outside to have a cigarette before it started snowing. We're supposed to get snow today, or tomorrow, I guess. I don't know, it's night. But it's the first day of spring. We shouldn't have snow. That's ridiculous. Anyway, the joys of living in New Hampshire. So, I guess my most annoying would be pain. It's better now. I got my medical card for cannabis oil. So, I've been visiting the state and getting my oil. And I take it at night because it makes me loopy. Even though it's more CBD than THC, it still makes me loopy. So I don't want to be one of those hothead moms, you know. So I try to hide it as much as I can. Another thing is the itchiness and the sore skin. That's a bummer. I hate that. And like I'll get like tingling and stuff where you feel like a bug's landing on you. And so you look down, there's nothing there. And then last summer, I felt like there was something on my arm and I ignored it. I figured, oh, it's just the fibromyalgia, and it was actually a bee. So you got to be careful ignoring these symptoms. I could have got stung. What else? Forgetfulness. My memory is horrible. I'll be driving somewhere and I'll forget where I am. Like where in the route I am even. It's really bizarre. And if I'm trying to talk to somebody, I'll forget my words. Today's fairly good day. Every day's an adventure with fibromyalgia. You guys know that. What else? I don't know. I guess that's it. The pain and the itchiness and soreness of my skin. I get that. I can't remember what it's called. There's a name for it. And it's like when you run in a fever and your skin's real sore. I have that all the time. And my muscles like buzz, like your cell phone's going off, you know. So that's all the time, even when I'm sleeping. It's really weird. Some nerve miscommunication somewhere. But anyway, so that's about it. I love Evie's channel. If you don't know her, go check her out. She is Fibro Mom, and she is a mom with fibro and other autoimmune disorders. So yeah, go give her some love. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.